Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tactical stance kills in Modern Warfare 3. Now, we're going to focus on helping you get tactical stance kills easy and as fast as possible. Now, the first thing I want to mention is if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing if this helps you. I have the goal to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's my dream, and it would mean the world if you subscribed. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and build a loadout focused on accuracy, because the tactical stance does reduce accuracy as it is basically a hipfire shot. You'll also want a secondary focus on mobility, as these will be very fast-paced and quick running around kills, as I will show in the strategy in this video. Next, we're going to go ahead and focus on game modes that provide very small maps. We want high amounts of players and we want very small maps. For this video, I'm going to focus on Shipment, as it is a tiny map and it's going to allow for a lot of kills. Now that we're in the map, we'll put ourselves in tactical stance mode. If you've never used tactical stance or you don't know how to enable it, be sure and click on the video that's linked in the card right now, as it is my tutorial to enable tactical stance. There are a few different settings you have to tweak, so be sure and check out that video. And lastly, we're just going to want to be very aggressive in our gameplay. We're not so much focused on our KD in this game, as we are really trying to get the most amount of kills. Fortunately, tactical stance does work in prone mode, so you can go ahead and lay down in the corner of the map if you need to, although I highly recommend pushing really hard and playing very aggressively to get your tactical stance kills. Now, I want to point out we focused our loadout on accuracy because there is not a lot of range with this tactical stance. You'll want to treat this almost as a hipfire, as you won't have much range, but you will have very fast and reactive shots. Small maps and close quarter combat creates the perfect environment for the tactical stance to really thrive. Now, this was my first game ever using tactical stance, and I pushed really hard and was very aggressive and ended the game with 62 kills. Hopefully today's video has helped you know how you can get tactical stance kills very easy and fast. Please do me a huge favor and consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. Thanks so much and have a great day.